Okay, we had to pull back into Dr. J Autoclave. I want to let you know, guys, the upcoming video here is quite noisy. I'm not sure how my audio is coming through, but I'll give you a quick shotgun on it. To cut to the chase for most of us who are going to be doing house but using it by block, the 60 by 64 inch, more than manageable. And because it's tongue and groove, I'm not sure that you really need to go to 6 inch. On the 60 by 66 inch, I tried to lift one fully cured and I couldn't properly lift the thing, especially if you were going to be putting in a 9-foot ceiling, let's say. Yeah, I wouldn't be doing it. I'd be doing the 4 inch. And the same with the push-up slabs. He said, now if you're getting into the 6 inch stuff, then you're for sure going to need a crane. But he said a standard house wall, say 3 meter, let's say, 3 guys to push that up. He says, not a problem. In some of their videos, it does show them just pushing it up. So if you had 4 guys to err on the side of caution, easily doable. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you a quick little rundown when I get back to Cebu on the costs of the 3 products being made in Cebu. And then you guys will have a rough idea of where we're at. But right now, on the surface, it looks like as an autoclaved product, Dr. J is coming in at about 30% cheaper, guys. So there you go. You weigh it out for yourselves, but enjoy the video, and I will give you a wrap up at the end. Hey guys, we're down at Dr. J Autoclave. It's going to be a noisy video today. Anyway, here we go. Straight out of the gate, they have 4 autoclaves, not just 1, 4. And the white that you see down there, that is all in a 12-hour cure after coming out of the autoclave. And then this stuff over here, it's been made, but it hasn't gone through the autoclave yet. So, excuse my coughing, guys. Anyway, they're just checking the stats on that one. And
this stayed for 3 to 4 hours at the pre-curing.
Oh, okay, pre-cure.
And then remove the saddle.
Right.
And the mesh cage will be left there.
Okay. Very cool.
We will remove the saddle.
So you just lift that up?
The mesh cage will be left.
Okay. I see, okay. So guys, there's all the wires.
The pins are the holder.
Right.
Of the mesh cage. And we will pull out the pin.
Right. And then each one's individual after that. Yeah. Very cool.
It's just like we're making bread.
Right, yes, yes. Bread factory.
You will see later, the mold box is only half full.
Oh, okay.
So it will expand like that.
Right. Because of the aeration and
But
everything.
it won't overflow.
Right.
Our
Right.
baking powder is aluminum.
Your baking powder is aluminum.
Yeah.
Excellent,
For
excellent.
that 3 cubic,
Yeah, yeah.
for that 3 cubic meter, only around 1.8 kilogram of aluminum.
Oh, okay. I hope you're catching all of this, guys. Right now, we'll look at it visually. They got a massive flywheel over here.
That's the ball mill.
Oh, for grinding it?
Grinding the silica and the gypsum
Okay.
together.
Right, right.
The
Wow.
good thing about this plant, we're also the one quarrying silica in Negros.
In Negros, yes, yes. So this is the same company, guys, is doing the silica over in Negros, and then they bring it here. And they supply silica all over Republic Concrete.
And the minerals there, silica
Right.
mineral will last 500 years.
Wow, wow, wow. And like any good Filipino facility, you got to have food.
You know?
Got to have food even in a factory. Wow, it's quite the operation, guys. You can see the wire all ready to go in for one set here. Of course, they got a steam line here.
We will wait for the slurry to drop.
Okay. I'm zoomed in as far as I can go, guys. Now, apparently, they'll only fill it up part way, and this is how you get the aeration. They add the aluminum, and then that will cause it to continue to expand. And if there's a chance for a dog to be in your plant, there will be. Okay. And so now the slurry has been added. Yeah. Okay. Okay. But the metal will be pushed down inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. So each of these motors, guys, that runs the slurry boxes back and forth, they're independent. Now the fella just told me once it gets up, it'll dip this and then it goes underneath for about 3 hours. Wow, you
make as long as 4.2 meters.
Right.
It's only 2.7 panel.
2.7
blocks.
Okay. So then you just cut off the excess?
Excess is blocks.
Right. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, in case you missed it, they're just going to do a long set of panels here.
2.7 panel.
So 2.7 length, and then the others will be turned into 60 by 60 blocks. Okay, guys, and there they're putting the rails in. That will come over and then have another dipping done. Wow, it's quite the process. You can see another one here. Looks like they build them at the other end and then just push them all the way down. So if we'll see if we can actually see some 60 by 60s for clearance. Okay, so you guys do your own testing on site then?
Yeah. For the compression strength.
Consistency. Yeah. Very cool. Yeah, wow. Interesting. A lot of air in there though. Looks like a chocolate bar. Okay. So it comes as one big slab and then you guys cut it afterwards?
Yeah, this is the cutting area.
Ah, okay.
After pre-curing, we cut it.
Right, okay.
Now we are making 6 inches,
6
or 150 mm.
Okay. So yeah, guys, it comes as one big slab,
So
then they slice it.
Around 8
at a go.
lines.
Right,
If 100 mm, 12
right, okay.
12 pieces.
And this is reinforced.
Yeah, reinforce this one.
Yeah.
It's
So-
3.6.
So this is where the cuts are
Yeah.
for the 60s, and then that's a full panel there, guys.
Reinforce 3.6 and blocks of 0.6.
Right.
Total 4.2.
Okay, so even your 60 by 60 blocks are grooved then.
Yeah,
Yeah.
with tang and group.
Wow, that is warm, guys. It is really warm. Woo.
Tang and group. Here's the group.
Right, and then tongue. Yeah. Very cool. So your autoclaves are all steam based?
Steam, yeah.
Yeah. Wow, these autoclaves are huge, guys. Really big units. So they're obviously doing multi-trains that go in there, for lack of a better word that I can't think of right now. Okay, we've got a machine operating here.
Separation process.
Okay,
One by one.
gotcha. So he's all got remote control and everything.
Separation process.
Yeah.
So it's got a saw blade that goes through?
Okay.
Oh, okay. So they'll cut it off in there?
Yeah. Yeah, the operator can see through, guys, but we can't see through here on how they do the separation. Okay. Yeah. Wow, very interesting. Yeah. And then each one, once it gets to the top, it's already separated out. So this is going to have two sets of 60 and then
1 meter.
1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Okay. Yeah. And more testing facilities here. We're trying to dodge all of the important working people here.
0.6 by 0.6.
Lynn? So this is 60 by 60 here.
60 by 60.
Yeah.
Only one. Thompson.
So this guy's just getting off the rough edges, guys. And as you can see, one guy handles it. So there you go. Your walls will go up quickly. Very cool. And they will do 60 by 20. You just got to give them the dimensions that you want. But it's all interlocking stuff, guys. It's not flat block. Well, it's nice to see that they've got a safety board and a mission statement and a vision. Very cool. Now, this is the Autoclave, or Dr. J Autoclave. How do you want to call it? Side business, guys. All of his businesses are interconnected, but all of them have different names. So Clarence, this is a 4 block. If you're going to do panels, and he says it only takes 3 guys to move that full panel up in there. And he said, no, if you're doing industrial and you need a blast wall, that type of thing, you might want to do 6-inch, and you might want to do 6-inch if you were just doing, you know, regular AAC block that isn't grooved and such. Very cool. And this is what happened during COVID and the typhoon. Because the typhoon essentially happened during the COVID, right? And they had a lot of the pallets fall over and everything. But they're just grinding it all up and recycle the materials. Very cool. Very cool. As you saw from the video there, they do have a lot of 60 by 60 product here, and they will cut it in half to be 60 by 30. But the 4-inch is more than manageable. I stopped on the side of the road and grabbed a 6-inch. That's a little on the heavy side. But the 60 by 60 4-inch, no problemo. And because it's grooved, it will go up much easier. Less adjusting that you have to do with the mallet. Anyway, all of this is current product. The stuff we shot down below there, that was all damaged from the typhoon. Wow, they've got some 4.2 meter over there too. Oh, and these are 4.2. We're going in front. And 6-inch. Wow. That's big stuff. That is really big stuff. That's definitely all a crane there, guys, for sure. Okay, guys, normally you wouldn't hammer it on this side because this is inside the wall. Normally you'd do it here, but I've got these in the way. So apparently you just drive this in.
Wow.
Very cool.
Look.
And then you drive it into the floor.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
It even popped up on the inside here.
Yeah.
It took the core right out.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, so that's how easy it is. These brackets are wonderful. Far better than anything we've seen so far. Lynn and I are all finished at Dr. J Autoclave.
Thank you.
All the guards are... Oh, look, there's a white guy at our plant.